It's given, Judge.
Okay, yeah, it's kind of lagging a little bit. Is it working now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Confirm the last name spelling, sir.
V is in Victor, Alles.
Thank you. All right, sir, the state is alleging 4 charges against you. All of them are felony allegations. The first one is dangerous drug possession or use. The second is drug paraphernalia possession or use. The third is destruction of evidence. And the final charge is misconduct involving weapons, being a prohibited possessor. On those charges, you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I've scheduled for a preliminary hearing on the 7th of September at 4 o'clock. That's where the state will determine if there's probable cause to charge you with those crimes, not convict you, only to charge you. If probable cause is found, then your case will bind over to the Gila County Superior Court. If probable cause is not found, those charges could dismiss. The case could go in front of a grand jury before or after that date, or the state could not file those charges yet. They have up to the statute of limitations to do that, which is about 7 years from the date of your arrest. So any of those options could happen. So the best thing for you to do is to call a business day before your court date to see if you need to appear. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Your release conditions are as follows. Obey all orders of the court. Do not commit any crimes. Notify the court immediately of any change of address. Do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court. Now, I understand you reside in New Mexico.
Yes,
Were you traveling through, or did you have business in this area?
I did. I had implants done, and I come 6 months to
Okay.
get it cleaned out stuff. So
And were your intentions were to return to New Mexico?
yes,
All right. I'm going to go ahead and grant that you can leave the state of Arizona, return home. Just make sure you're available and appear at all court dates unless you're otherwise notified.
yes, sir.
All right. Continuing with your release conditions, you're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs without a valid prescription, not to possess any firearms. If you're convicted, you could become a prohibited possessor. And again, I'm allowing you to return to your home state of New Mexico, but you must appear at all court dates. Do you understand those release conditions?
Yes,
Can you abide by those and appear in court as ordered unless you're otherwise notified?
yes.
All right, then I'll release you on your own recognizance. Do you have any questions?
Not right now. Thank you.
Okay, that's all I have for you.
Thank you.
You're gonna go that way. These ways? Yep. So we can follow this gentleman, go on by, correct?
Do you want me to let her know that you're here?
Sure.
Okay.
Please, thank you.
You bet. try to do an arraignment. Hello there, can you state your name, please?
Nicolette Corinne Coughlin? I know him. Sorry.
All right. I want to confirm your address. Give me a moment. All right, I want to make you aware that the alleged victim is in the courtroom also. You're charged with a charge of assault filed under the domestic violence statute. That's a misdemeanor violation that you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial on. I've scheduled you for an arraignment on the 16th of September at 9 a.m. That's where you'll need to be prepared to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest. Depending on how you plead will be what happens next with the court proceedings. All of those options, as well as the penalty range, will be explained to you prior to giving your plea, so you'll be well informed. Your release conditions are as follows. Obey all orders of the court. Do not commit any crimes. Notify the court immediately of any change of address. Do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court. Do not contact the alleged victim with uninvited contact. So I'm allowing the two of you to talk. I've spoke with him before you had your appearance. He wants to be able to have conversations, but if he makes a request that you're not to have any more discussion with him, that would be uninvited. If you violate that, then your release could be revoked. Do you understand that?
Yep.
All right. I'm ordering you to report to pretrial services. So let me explain what that is when you're released from custody, I'll give you a name and phone number to contact the probation department. You're not on probation, but you're on release services. What their job is to monitor to make sure you're abiding by these release conditions, make sure that you're coming to court, and they'll notify us of any violation of that. That also could result in your release being revoked if you fail to do any of those things. Do you understand that? Okay. Is that yes?
Yes.
All right. Well, yep is not a word that the record understands. It has to be yes or no. That's why I ask it.
I apologize. I have a soft voice too, so.
Yeah, no problem. I just want to let you know why I was asking the yes. I didn't want you to think I was being sarcastic or anything, but it's just yep, yeah, and nas, and those things don't. It's hard to make a distinction. All right. You can abide by those release conditions.
Yes.
All right, and then you'll show up to court as ordered.
16th. What is there a time?
Yes, at 9 o'clock, and I'll get you a copy, so you'll get a copy of all these things that we talked about.
Okay, sure.
Okay. All
yes.
right.
I'm sorry. Yes.
All right. Then we will release you on your own recognizance. Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay, that's all I've got for you.
I don't know.
She'll be released in about 10 to 15 minutes across the street at the sheriff's office. You can if you want to. Yep. All right. Have a good day.
Thank you. Much appreciated. Have the plan now?
Yeah, you go help yourself out. Yep. Yep, we're ready.
Yeah, I'm planning on have you lean against the counter. Come over here. You're gonna step to the counter, state your full name for the judge, including your middle.
Christy Marie Luce.
All right. I want to confirm your address. State is alleging one charge of you driving on a suspended, revoked, or canceled driver's license. You have the right to remain silent, right to trial, and right to counsel. What I would like to do with your permission is have you appearing by video now, instead of scheduling you back later on another court date, is move forward into the arraignment and take a plea from you. Is that okay with you?
No, I'm not. I was driving on a suspended license. I never got notice. I never got nothing. I didn't even know my license.
Ma'am, listen, ma'am, listen to the question that I'm asking you. Okay, so you can plead not guilty. What I'm asking you is, can I take a plea from you now? That would mean you're waiving your personal appearance, so you don't have, we're going to save you one trip back to court and stand in front of me. So if you agree to do this by video, we can move to the arraignment where I can take a plea from you. It sounds like you want to plead not guilty, but we're not even there yet. I need to get your permission to do it by video first. Is that okay?
That's fine.
All right. So the driving suspended, revoked, or canceled is a class 1 misdemeanor that is punishable with a maximum fine of $2,500, 6 months of jail, and or 3 years of probation. Your options are to plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest. A guilty plea means you're admitting you committed the criminal offense. A not guilty means you're denying that you committed the criminal offense or that you wish to speak with the prosecutor about the case. And a no contest plea means that you're not admitting or denying, but you are accepting a conviction. Both guilty and no contest show on your criminal history as a conviction. You also have the right to an attorney. Your choices are to, number 1, waive the presence of an attorney. Number 2, hire an attorney at your own expense. Or number 3, provide the court good cause for a court-appointed attorney at little or no cost. Do you understand the attorney decisions?
Yeah.
How do you wish to proceed regarding that decision? Waiving, hiring, or provide the court good cause?
I'm not understanding.
All right, ma'am, I'm just going to enter a not guilty plea for you and get you a court date. If you want to get an attorney, you can hire one. If you want to later provide the court with good cause to see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, make sure you contact us. But I'll enter a not guilty plea for you now.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Okay, that's all I've got for you.
Don't I get now?
I am releasing you on your own recognizance. Yeah, I'll be providing you your next court date with your promise to appear.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, we'll get it sent over to you.
Yeah, but